Embrace a new era of mobility and experience freedom with the new Golden Ally Power Chair, designed to provide the strength and solid feel of a traditional power chair, yet remaining lightweight and portable enough to be the perfect travel partner. Enjoy the maneuverability indoors with its tight turning radius, or take on an outdoor adventure and appreciate its great ride quality and capability. Compliments of its large pneumatic rear drive wheels. Its comfortable seating and foot positions will be a welcome change from the compromises of the typical travel chair. Offering a 330-pound weight capacity, a 5-mile-per-hour top speed, and an impressive 9-mile-per-charge driving range. Featuring a user-friendly, intelligent interface,
Locked. Unlocked. Caution, reversing. Alarm.
and a smart control mobile app that can navigate any environment easily and confidently. Move effortlessly with the Ally, your perfect travel partner. Your heaviest piece is only 49.5 pounds to easily allow you to fold your Ally and place it into your vehicle's trunk. Offering 3 color options in white, teal, or black, as well as optional accessories such as an extendable headrest, cup and phone holder, heated seat control, and a wireless remote, and also comes standard with a zippered waterproof backpack. Highly visible rear lighting, and a removable battery. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with the Golden Ally Folding Power Chair. Call Automobility Store today for more details.